Hello and welcome back my YouTube family. I'm back with a new recipe and today I'm cooking restaurant style kadai paneer for you. And I know you've been missing this kadai paneer during this lockdown and I'll be serving this with some kadai lachha paratha. So if you like the recipe, do let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking.
So for kadai paneer, first I'll make a kadai masala for which I'll just dry roast some spices. In spices I've got 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or saunf, half a tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, half a tablespoon of black pepper, and I've got 3 whole red chilies. Just add in. Now I'll just dry roast these spices on very low heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Now my spices are nicely roasted. Now I'll grind them, and we don't want a fine powder, we just need a coarse powder. So I've blended my spices, and as you can see I've blended them very coarsely. We don't need a fine powder for this curry. So to start making tadka, I've got a pan to which I'll add 5 tablespoons of oil and let this heat up. Now my oil is medium hot. I'll add in some kadai masala and I'll be adding half a tablespoon of it. Just let them splutter a little. So after kadai masala, I'll add in garlic chopped. This is 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped. Along with this goes half a tablespoon of ginger chopped. And I'll saute them till they are nice golden brown in color. So after 2 minutes, my ginger and garlic is nicely browned. I'll add in 1 onion. This is 1 medium sized onion which I have chopped. This is roughly chopped onion. Now I'll cook them till they are nice golden brown in color. So as you can see, onions have got a nice golden brown color. So it's time for our powdered spices. So for powdered spices, I've got some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. In goes 1 teaspoon of degi mirch powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, coriander powder goes in 1 teaspoon, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. And I'll cook them for another 2 minutes. So now my spices are nicely cooked. Remember not to burn them. It's time for tomatoes. I've got 3 tomatoes that I've roughly chopped and I'll cook them till they are nice, soft and mushy. So while my tomatoes are cooking, I'll also add some water. And I'll be using 1/4 cup of water. And I'll keep on cooking them for another 10 minutes. And I'll also cover it with the help of a lid. After 10 minutes, my masala looks very well cooked. Now it's time to grind the masala. Before that, I'll just switch off the flame and let the masala cool down. So my masala has gone to a blender. And now I'll blend it to a smooth paste. Masala is ready. It's time to cut our vegetables now. So I've got 1 capsicum and 1 onion, and I'll show you how to cut them. I'll just dice my onions, just cut them 1 by 4, and with the help of your hands just open it, just like this. And with the capsicum I'll just slice them first and cut them. Now you can even slice your vegetables. I like to dice them, so it's your choice. So I've got 250 grams of paneer here and I've already cut them. You can even cut them according to your preference. And now I'll just season my paneer with some spices because I don't want my paneer to be bland. Just salt, some turmeric powder and some degi mirch powder. And just mix them all together nicely. So again I'll add in 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and again let this heat up. So I'll add in my paneer first and my oil is on a medium heat and I'll saute the paneer till it is nice brown in color. Just be careful, do not break the paneer. Just keep on stirring them lightly. So my paneer is cooking for around 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'll add in my vegetables. Onions and capsicum both goes in. And I'll start tossing it with paneer. And remember not to break paneer. Just keep on sauteing them for around 4 to 5 minutes. So you can see nice brown color on paneer. That means we are almost done. I'll just cook it for another 1 minute. So while it is cooking, I'll also add in some kadai masala. This will give a nice flavor to it at this stage. About 2 tablespoons is enough. Just toss it. Now my paneer and vegetables are nicely sauteed. It's time to add in the gravy. Just add whole gravy and mix it all together nicely with soft hands. Do not break paneer. So we don't have to cook it too much now. I'll just add in some coriander. Chopped coriander goes in. Just mix it all together nicely. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of sugar. Now this is optional, but I like a little bit sweetness in kadai paneer. So it's completely on you. Just mix it nicely. And to finish it, I'll just add in 1 tablespoon of cream. And do not add any water at this stage because this is perfect consistency for kadai paneer. Just mix it all together nicely. So kadai paneer is done. I'll just give it a taste. Yeah, this tastes perfect. You can adjust salt according to you. So our kadai paneer looks perfect and it is ready to be served. And I'll be serving it with some nice kadai lachha paratha and I'll be showing you how to do it.
So guys, this was my recipe of kadai paneer. If you like the recipe, do let me know in the comment section and do share your suggestions in the comment section. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. Till then, bye and take care.